Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Today our topic is natural resources. Student, we get different kinds of resources from our environment and we use these natural resources according to our needs. So let's start today's class. Natural resources, and this is chapter 7 according to your book, and this is class number 3. We use various materials according to our needs. Some of these materials directly come from nature. Again, we make different materials by using natural things. A natural resource is something found on the earth that is useful to us. We find that almost everything we use comes from natural resources. We use different types of natural resources for our life in many ways. Now we will learn types of natural resources. We can see here is so many resources here: water resources, forest resources, land resources and mineral resources. Now we will learn water resources. Water is an important natural resource for us. We can get water from ocean, lake, river, pond and rainfall. Among these sources, ocean is salty water, source of salty water, and lake, river, pond and rainfall is fresh water. Water is used for drinking, washing, cooking and cultivating or farming. We get fish from river, pond, lake, etc. We also use water current to generate electricity. That means we can convert water force to electric energy. Forest resources. Forestry is the main source of wood that we use in our daily life. Building materials, paper and furniture are example of the uses of trees. We also use trees as fuel to get heat energy. Look at this picture, you can see we get different resources from forest. We get wood and we will make this table from this wood and paper. And here is some minerals. This is gold, copper, iron, silver, and here is some rocks, limestone, marble, and we will learn about this mineral in our next topic. And here is a sailboat, uses wind to move. Now land resources. We grow crops and farm livestock on land to get foods. We build our houses or buildings on land to live. So, soil is also used for buildings, materials and making pottery. Mineral resources. We can find some natural resources such as rocks, minerals, oil, coal and natural gas from land or underground. There are many kinds of minerals including gold, silver, copper and iron. Limestone and marble are one kind of rocks. We use rocks and minerals for making chalks, jewelry, coins and building materials. By burning oil, coal and natural gas, we get heat for running machines or vehicles, cooking food and producing electricity. Our next topic is other natural resources. Sunlight and wind are other natural resources. We use those natural resources to get energy. Sun provides us with light and heat energy, and electricity can be produced from these light sources. That means we can produce electricity from sunlight. We also use wind to generate electricity, and we also use wind to generate electricity. Now our next topic is natural resources in Bangladesh. We can find many types of natural resources in Bangladesh. Plants and animals, air, water, soil and sunlight are available in Bangladesh. We also get natural gas, coal and some minerals and rocks such as silicon, limestone and hard rock in our country. Now last topic is classification of natural resources. Natural resources can be classified into two types. One type is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. A renewable resources is a natural resource that can be replaced by nature and can be used again. That means we can use renewable resources again and again. Plants, air, water and sunlight are example of renewable resources. On the other hand, a non-renewable resource is a natural resource that cannot be replaced for millions of years once it has been used up. Like oil, coal and minerals are non-renewable resources. That means look at this picture, this is coal and this is oil and this is natural gases. So this is non-renewable resources. If we use this once and we can't use this again. Okay dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and stay home and abide by your parents, and see you again. Thank you.